What's up guys, how's it going? Mike Visuals here, and with me right now is the new DJI Mini 5 Pro, and we're going to dive into all of the latest features they've added to this mini beast. Let's get into it. Introducing the Mini 5 Pro, now with a powerful 1-inch sensor, unlocking breathtaking detail and low light performance like never before. And still, ultra-light, palm-sized, foldable design that slips effortlessly into your pocket and into the sky. This is power and portability without compromise. Alright guys, we're at the Ring in Canggu. We're filming an amazing scene right now. It's actually a really cool, like, old school boxing set. It's a really insane location. If you're a boxer, definitely check it out. But we've got the hazer going on right now, and also an aperture light at the top, beaming down a really high amount of light to kind of imitate the sunlight. And then we've got two awesome boxes in the middle, and we're getting some drone shots. So the feature we're really testing today is the active track. So active track's really useful when you're trying to track something difficult to kind of capture, or it's fast, or you just need something really solid to kind of make sure you're getting the perfect shot. And that's what we're testing out today. We've got quite a tight space, so I'm utilizing the obstacle avoidance in nifty mode. You've got these areas that protrude out in the scene, so we've got to make sure we're not hitting those with the drone. And using the obstacle avoidance has been amazing. Alright guys, 3, 2, 1, action. Alright, another feature I want to mention to you guys is the new 225-degree gimbal rotation. So it allows you to get those incredible barrel roll shots, and it's unique, diverse, and you don't normally typically see them in drone shots. So that's amazing for the Mini 5 Pro. And also the other feature I love, and it's great for social media, is the true native vertical shooting. So you get 9x16 straight out the box. And you don't have to be cropping in post-production. It's true vertical shooting. So we're going to test those for sunset right now, and these are the results.